are you still a love team?
No, we're still a love team. Like, we did a prod in Vancouver. Yeah.
Pero kung ikaw yung papipiliin, mas gusto mo ba na to stay in a love team or
Why not do
solo
both?
career?
Why not do both natin?
Kasi si Alexa, di ba, nasa your face din siya.
Yeah. Why not do both natin? Like, there's no rule na pwede ako. Like, if nag-solo na ako, I should do solo only. I can do both.
Pero ano ka ba? Yung mas madali ba or mas mahirap para sa'yo kapag magkahiwalay kayo? Kasi may mga ganun, di ba? Pag comfortable ka masyado sa ka-love team.
Work is work natin. So, for me, I'm professional either way.
So ano yung mga growth na gusto mo for 2026? Kasi since you're doing solo.
Again,
Hindi, oo.
I'm doing both. So, okay. I'm sana like just more work. I'm just happy to be here working as an artist and doing what I'm passionate about. And I'm thankful din na like I'm doing stuff that I can do alone and I can do with Alexa din. And
Katie, aside from Bagets, anong abangan sa'yo this 2026?
ayun, sana teleserye talaga.
May kasama ba doon yung KD Lex na project mo 2026?
Depende pa kasi in 26. I'm not so sure kasi kung ano mangyayari. When you're in showbiz kasi you never really know what you're gonna do next. So, I'm really hoping to work with that Alexa again. Pero if hindi siya marating, it's okay. Kasi okay naman kami. Like, we're okay to do solo, we're okay to do love. Really.
Marami lang nagsasabi na fans na parang dati daw kasi hindi kayo mapapose kayo dati ngayon.
Yeah.
Parang narin, tapos
Right.
sabi lang siya galit daw kayo. Clarify mo.
Privacy is power kasi. Kasi kapag private kayong dalawa, no one gets the right to say anything.
Or kung kay Alex.
Yeah, we chat like every day. Super busy lang kami. Actually, nandyan lang sa kabila. Pupuntahan ko siya ngayon. Pero, ngayon, I have Bagets. She has Your Face Sounds Familiar. Plus, she has PBB. So, like, wala talaga kaming time to see each other. Pero, we really communicate. We text each other.
Pero once and for all, KB, anong status, anong label? May label ba? Is it still a love team lang or for real na?
I don't think I owe anyone that answer naman.
Since you're public figure, di ba? Syempre, the fans are also asking, ano ba talaga what's going
Yeah,
on?
I'm a public figure, but my private life's not part of
Okay
that.
na po, thank you po.
Okay.
Thank you, Katie.
Katie, reaction mo na lang sa mga performance ni Alexa.
She's really good. Top 1 niya, Chappell Roan. Top 2 niya, Britney Spears, tapos Jenny. Yan yun.